Officers arrive on scene, but within seconds, it's clear the situation is about to escalate.
Okay, you're going into jail. So you need to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
Well, first what I want you to do is put your hands right here, alright?
Yeah, you can try it.
I don't think so either.
And you can justify it.
Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Never mind, I'll text you later. Yeah, you're not.
Barely.
No.
Not worth it, just...
Yeah.
Alright, your hands are too small.
Okay. Keep your hands in front of you like this. Okay? When he takes it off.
Alright, come on.
Follow this officer.
Huh? He just left. He just left.
Come on, you
Alright,
go walk between us.
follow him. You understand this is very serious, okay? And I hate that you put me in this position that I have to do this. Okay? Alright?
In situations like these, one decision can change everything. Was this arrest justified? Or could things have gone differently? Let us know what you think in the comments below.